Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to speak at the opening ceremony of the second Global Bamboo and Rattan Congress. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the International Bamboo and Rattan Organization for the invitation and also extend my warm congratulations on its 25th anniversary. The International Fund for Agricultural Development and INBAR enjoy a strong and long-standing partnership. Working together, we have been able to unlock the potential of bamboo to reduce poverty and to safeguard the environment. IFAD is both an international financial institution and a specialized agency of the United Nations with a strong credential as an assembler of development finance. Our work and investments of nearly 45 years in inclusive rural development have been geared towards achieving sustainable food systems and resilient rural communities. IFAD finance programs and projects span 4 continents and almost 100 developing countries. Partners, including INBAR, play a critical role in the work we do. Since the official launch of INBAR in 1997, IFAD has provided grants to support its activities. These have led to the creation of new enterprises and local cooperatives that generate income from bamboo. We have improved the lives of millions of people, generating employment opportunities for women and young people, improving food security, and restoring degraded lands in countries such as India, Ethiopia, and Ecuador. The strength of our partnership rests on the values we hold in common and our commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals, especially to end poverty, address climate change, and protect ecosystems. The theme of BARC 2022 is Bamboo and Rattan, Nature-Based Solutions for Sustainable Development. It is appropriate at a time like this. We recognize that bamboo and rattan have great potential to provide nature-based solutions for food security and sustainable development. Over the years, IFAD has incorporated nature-based solutions into projects, as in the case of large-scale restoration of mangroves in the Saloum Delta in Senegal, which led to a booming oyster production venture, or the planting of shade trees in diversified croplands as part of promoting practices that facilitate adaptation to climate change in Nicaragua. We have seen how these contribute to long-term development outcomes and resilient livelihoods for smallholder farmers. Bamboo and rattan can play a big role in this. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone stands to benefit from strong and resilient rural economies that offer a range of opportunities for rural people, especially for women and youth. When there is a sustainable flow of goods, services, and financial resources between rural and urban areas, the positive impact reaches far and wide. Therefore, my commitment as President of IFAD is to continue to champion the cause of the marginalized through the creation of decent and rewarding jobs, place climate issues at the forefront of our work, and strengthen private sector partnerships. IFAD will remain laser-focused on our mission to transform rural economies. We look forward to further strengthening the partnership for rural transformation with INBAR using various measures, including South-South Triangular Cooperation to facilitate sharing and exchange knowledge in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. I wish you a very successful Congress and look forward to continue our strong collaboration in the years to come. Thank you very much.